Okay, I think I finally figured out the H5P grading system. So, you can, one of the things that I've been using that I really like is Copy 2. So, let's say I've loaded this into my Canvas course and I want to copy it over to my pre-AP course. I can click Copy 2 next to the assignment. I want to put it in my advanced English class, and I haven't loaded the modules in yet, but let's say I want to put it in this module, and I want to put it after the Tuesday header. So when I click copy, it's going to copy it over there. If you haven't used Copy 2, it's very cool. So when you go to, when you've copied either the whole module or just this assignment, that's called genre sort. The top of it has an accordion H5P for the different types of genres in reading that the kids can use. And then there's a H5P assignment at the bottom. So in order to get this into your Canvas course so that you can take the grade automatically uploads. I'm pretty sure this is what you do. So I've copied it, but I'm going to edit my assignment settings. So I'm going to leave my directions and my accordion alone. That's fine because there's nothing for them to enter, so I think we can all use the same one and it won't matter. But down here, it has the external tool, and it should already have the H5P selected, but you're going to click Find. Then you're going to scroll down to Interactive Content, H5P. And then you're going to click into the English folder. So we're going to be talking about this genre sort right here. Instead of clicking Insert, you're going to press the 3 dots. You're going to clone it. And I'm going to change the title of it right here to Jenkins. Jenkins's genre sort. And then I'm going to scroll down. And I'm going to change the folder that it goes in. So instead of going into the 8th ELA folder, I'm going to put it in my personal folder, my root folder. And then I can click Clone and Insert. And now what the kids are linking to is my personal copy. And so the only H5P that my students are using is mine. Now, I'm going to go back and change it so that it doesn't mess up your guys when you go to do this. I'm going to switch it back since this is still in the lesson builder. I'm going to switch it back to the regular genre sort and insert that one so that it will be there ready to copy. So you are going to H5P, the folder, 3 dots, clone, rename, so it doesn't just says clone of genre sort, put your name there. Scroll down to the bottom, click folder, and move it to your root folder. And then you can click clone and insert, or if you are working in the lesson builder, you're just trying to make the clone, you can just click clone and insert it later. If you're in your course, click clone and insert. I think this is going to fix all of our problems. So I hope this helps. Let me know what else you need, and I hope you had a great Labor Day.